Geez, at Crackers time on a Call for Help. Welcome back to Call for Help. I'm Leo Laporte. Yeah, I know. It's kind of weird being here. Chris Perillo has the day off, and I'm taking over and having a great time, too. If you're tired of trying to find the Big Dipper up there in the sky, well, you can see the sky and find a map and get directions right on your palm. Joining me today with his PDA astronomy tips, Michael Portuesi. He is a member of the San Francisco Amateur Astronomers. Michael, it's great to have you. Welcome.
Thank you.
Who are the amateur astronomers?
We are a group 50 years old in San Francisco. We're amateur astronomers. We go out up to Mount Tam, just north of the city. We do observing.
You're not a professor of astronomy.
No, absolutely not.
This is just your hobby.
It's a hobby.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been with the amateur astronomers for about 2.5 years.
Yeah.
And I've been an amateur astronomer since 2nd or 3rd grade.
There's something about the stars and looking at the stars that is just so magical, and I think many, many people love to do this. So this is something that you use to help you find the stars.
Absolutely.
Now, normally, what would you do? You'd have a star chart or something like that, and go out and.
You have a star chart, or you have a laptop.
Yeah.
The advantage of the Palm is that it can tell you what's going on right now, where to find things right now, and compared to a laptop, it's small, it's portable. It's portable, it's easy to carry. I can show it to people at public outings.
So our first program, a shareware program, is called Planetarium.
Yes,
this is it right here.
Yes.
Give us a little tour of it.
Well, Planetarium is a general-purpose star charting program, and it can plot the night sky.
So that's what we're looking at?
Absolutely.
What are these things here?
These are the constellations, and so...
Is that Cepheid? What is that?
Cepheus.
Cepheus.
Cepheus, the king. Cassiopeia, the queen. These are all the constellations in the night sky.
Oh, that's really neat. Now, I see we're looking at the Akron, Ohio night sky.
Yeah, the Akron, Ohio.
It's going to be different. Akron's going to be different than, say, our area.
Absolutely.
Can I tell it where I am?
Yes, and we can just click here, and we get the location dialog, and so we see, you know...
Oh, I can enter the longitude and latitude.
Yeah, exactly, and so we can pick.
Oh, you don't have to know it?
No, absolutely not.
Anywhere in the world, look at this.
Yeah, so we can just pick San Francisco, where we're at right now, and now it's like set our latitude and longitude for San Francisco, and so now...
It is a different sky.
Yeah, it's a different sky.
Now, how do I find these stars, though? I mean, I'm looking at a map. Where do I know where to look in the air?
Well, one thing that you can do is you can use its select option. So what we can do is we can say select a constellation, and in this case, you know, we can select Libra, the scales. And there it is. It shows us Libra, the scales, and here we can see it's in the east.
Oh, okay. That line at the bottom there is
that's
the compass.
Horizon.
That's the horizon.
That's the horizon.
So I see
the
east. So it's just above the horizon, to kind of the east.
Southeast.
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 Okay. And you see the declination there, and so if you're if you're used to this, you know exactly.
Absolutely.
Now I noticed there wasn't just constellations. There's other heavenly bodies we can look for. What else can we? Comets.
Comets.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. And this April, there was a really nice comet called Ikeya-Zhang that was up in the sky. And so what we can do is we can actually select comets and asteroids, and I can enter Ikeya, and then hit search, and then
there it is.
There it is. And so if we click, what it will do is it'll actually plot the comet for us, which in this case is right near Libra. And the other thing that we can do is we can actually kind of choose like a little increment for our animation, and it can actually show
the motion.
You can actually show the motion of the comet as the days advance.
Oh, that's really neat. So you can not only look now, but you can look in the future or in the past to where it might be.
Yeah.
Could I use this, you know, like I want to see Mars, let's say. Could I use it to see a planet, to find out where?
Yeah, absolutely.
How would I do it?
Yeah, well, we can click here, and then we can also just pick a planet.
Yeah, actually, you have another program, too. I want to see that will do that same thing. Let's see that. This is an orrery?
Orrery, yes.
Isn't that what medieval ladies used to have? They would hold in their hands a model of the solar system.
Yeah, and that's what this is, a recreation.
The clockworks.
Yeah, it's a recreation of that.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah, so what we have here is kind of a depiction of the solar system, the inner solar system, and we can also get the outer solar system as well. Wow. And so this is the sun in the center, and then we have each of the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And so if we click on one, it'll give us all the information about it.
This would be another way then to see whether we can see. Can we see Mars right now?
Well, as it turns out, you know, here's the sun, here's Earth, here's Mars. Right now,
it's in the shadow.
If you want to see Mars, you'd be looking at the sun.
Right.
And so what we can do is we can actually put this in motion as well. And I can animate the planets.
There they are, going around.
They're going around the sun. And you can see that Earth is catching up with Mars. And right about here...
Oh, they're right. That would be a good time to see Mars.
That would be an excellent time to see Mars. And as it turns out, that's about this time next year, August 25th, 2003.
Well, you'll have to come back then.
I will.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you very much.
The Amateur Astronomers website is...
www.sfaa-astronomy.org.
Look at that. I got it up. I'm so fast.
Yep.
I just like that. I got it. Hey, Michael, thank you so much. Those two programs, Orrery and Planetarium, are shareware. Orrery's $12, Planetarium $24. Both have free trials, and both are linked on our website at callforhelp.tv. Hey, thank you, Michael. Great to meet you. Really, I'm going to put this on my palm. For more details about those programs, the website, again, techtv.com/callforhelp. We got